It is December 24th, 20 to 1 in the afternoon. And it's been raining since yesterday afternoon. We got water standing. It's 33 degrees right now. It was 38 earlier. They say it's like switch to snow sometime before 4 o'clock. I believe it will change to snow anytime. It's cooling off quite fast. I did a live video earlier today, but we had snowbanks where I took the snow off the ground. We had snow a couple days ago. This is central Minnesota, so this is kind of strange winter for us. The wind is cold, the rain is nasty. As you can see, the rain running off the water, off the roof here. Try to get out of the rain here. It's wet and damp. It'll take long to get cold out here. But this is a short video. They're talking snow for next couple of days now. Couple chances. You know, last year we had a whole bunch of snow, and this time we got snow before Thanksgiving last year, and it stayed. We had a record snow last year. But some traffic, but not much. You know, Christmas Eve day, Sunday. Everybody's kind of staying home. All right. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.